Yeah, I told you I came here new from Australia.
Okay. You know what I want you to do? I want you to show me all the drugs that you guys have.
I don't even know they're selling anything. It's not me. I don't know they're selling anything.
You don't know?
No.
If they're selling anything?
No, I only see this.
Are you sure?
Yes, 100%.
100%?
100, my friend.
You've never seen drugs?
Even if I've seen
in your life?
I've not seen them sell anything.
You've never seen them?
Yeah, because nobody let me see. It's only weed that me I see.
Oh, okay. So that guy stays here?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Awi.
Awi.
Yeah.
He's working for Baba?
Yeah.
Okay, so Baba is the guy that deals drugs?
I don't know. I said I've not seen him.
But you're saying he's working for Baba?
Yes, he's working for Baba.
What does he do for Baba?
He sells weed for him.
Yeah?
He sells weed for him.
He sells weed for him? Yeah. Okay, 100%. No, it's fine. I want you to show me your room now.
My room?
Yeah. Let's go to your room.
Yeah.
I don't know
anything.
Okay, come. Okay. You only sell weed, yeah?
I don't say. I see people selling. I don't say weed.
You see this?
Yeah.
This. Chief. You see this? You will show me where the drugs are.
I don't know where. I just came here.
You don't have to know. You don't have to know.
I don't know where all this is where I just came here last month.
If you think you are smart,
I'm not smart. I'm just telling you the truth.
You are in trouble, Chief. Nale, is all about.
A few moments later.
Take it out. Take it out. This. Take it out. Take everything out. Plastic. Oh. What is this one? Oh. Take everything out, ne? I can see when you are a very good guy. In there. Yeah, nigga.
Take everything out. Remove that thing.
Mr. just arrived. Hey, you are lying, eh?
Remove.
Well, everything. Bring. More. I want more.
It's finished.
You are young.
It's finished.
You are young, you know? You are young. Come. Us. Going that direction. No? Get inside. Sibatholile endaweni yabo yokubhayisa ama-drugs khona la eBrakpan. Abanye babhaya amafoni atshontshiwe. Kunentwana esizithole nge-TV etshontshiwe zizobhayisa i-TV ukuze zizokwazi ukuzobhayisa ama-drugs. It shows ukuthi la eSouth Africa sine-flop. I-flop lethu ukuthi abantwana bethu bavaya bayotshontsha babamba bosisi bethu nabogogo inkunzi. Abaye bathatha imali ye-grant ama-350 bawathola from government ukuthi bakwazi ukustoka ama-drugs. Batshontsha ama-TV emakibo buze bayothenga ama-drugs. It shows ukuthi the reason why i-crime yethu ikhula la is because of yonke le issue ama-drugs. But anyway, Sizok'thola isipanile and izoqhubeka isipani. Mojero.